when the system updates to iOS 18.1 and the CK II battery is replaced. There are two scenarios based on the Recode Module status. The health of the original old battery is 95%. Remove the old battery and replace it with the CK II battery. We properly connect the old battery's connector to the dedicated interface on the module. Switch the Recode module to on, and the signal light should be green, which means OK. At this point, there is no unknown reminder for the battery. The battery health displays the original battery's value of 95%. Now let's look at the scenario where the CK module is not activated. Switch the Recode module to OFF, and at this point, the Recode module is not working. The phone boots up and enters the system. You can see that in iOS 18.1. The system can default to detecting the battery capacity value as 100%. However, at this point, the parts and service history will show battery unknown.